So we will take one more example, that is 8430. As always, first of all we will write the place value of the table on the above side of the number. So 0 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place, 4 is at 100 place, 8 is at 1000 place. So the number name 8000, we write the spellings of 8000s. 400, we will write 400s. 30, 30. So this is the number name, and when we write the number in compact form, in standard form, or in short form, that is number in figures. So now we will discuss the ascending and descending order. Now what is ascending order? Ascending means increasing order and descending means decreasing order. Ascending means increasing. Increasing means when we move smaller to bigger. And descending means decreasing. Decreasing means when we move bigger to smaller. So now we will also discuss it with an example. तो आपके घर में बहुत सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स होते हैं, जैसे ग्रैंडफादर हैं, ग्रैंड मदर, योर फादर, योर मदर एंड यू. ओके, first of all we will place all the members in ascending order. So the smaller member in your family is you. Bigger than you, your mother. Bigger than your mother, your father. Bigger than your father, your grandmother. Bigger than your grandmother is your grandfather. Now this is the ascending order of your family. Now we will place all these family members in descending order. Simultaneously we will do reverse order of these members. Suppose the biggest member is grandfather, smaller than him grandmother, smaller than her your father, smaller than your father is your mother, and smaller than your mother is you. So this is the ascending and descending order. Similarly, we will do it with the help of numbers also. In ascending order, we are having some numbers like 303, 275, 435, 567 and 100. So in ascending order, we have to move forward to the increasing order. So first of all we will write the smaller number, that is 100. So when we write 100, we put mark on that number. So bigger than 100 is 275. We also put mark on that after writing here. So next number is 303. After writing here, we will put mark on that number also. Next is 435. And the biggest number in this line is 567. After writing all the numbers, we will put the sign of greater than between the numbers. Now, what is the sign of greater than? I know you have learnt already in previous classes, but still I have to tell you that what is the sign of greater than and less than. तो यहाँ पर भी आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाते हैं. तो एक बार एक क्रोकोडाइल था. क्रोकोडाइल को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी, तो वो कहाँ गया, एक पॉन्ड में गया और उसने सोचा कि आज तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है, तो आज तो मुझे कुछ बहुत सारा खाना खाने के लिए चाहिए. तो जब वो गया पॉन्ड में, तो वहाँ पर उसे 2 फिशेस दिखाई दी. एक तो छोटी सी फिश थी और एक थोड़ी बड़ी फिश थी. तो अब उसने क्या किया, जब उसने वहाँ पास जाके देखा तो वहाँ तो एक ही फिश थी. एक फिश तो एक तरफ थी और दूसरी तरफ जब उसने देखा, दूसरी तरफ उसे 2 फिश दिखाई दी. तो उसने सोचा कि ये जो 2 फिश हैं, क्यों ना मैं इन्हें खाऊं और अपना पेट भर लूं. तो उसने क्या किया, वो 2 फिशेस की तरफ गया और उसे खा लिया। खाने के लिए अब उसे मुंह खूब सारा खोलना पड़ेगा। तो आप ये सोचो कि ये जो आपके साइंस होते हैं ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन, ये आपके साइन होते हैं क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ। तो क्रोकोडाइल अपना माउथ बड़े नंबर की तरफ खोलेगा। ओके, तो देन वी आर हैविंग 100 and 275. The biggest number is 275. The crocodile will open the mouth at the side of 275. Got it? So, next is descending order. In descending order, we are having the same number also, but we have to write it in descending order, means in decreasing order. So, when we go through decreasing order, we will start from the biggest number. So, in this row, we are having biggest number is 557. We write it here. We put a mark on that number. Next number is 435. Smaller than this is 435. We write here. So, we put mark on 435. Next is smaller than 435 is 303. We write here and we put mark on it. Smaller than 303 is 275. We write over here and we put mark on it. Last number is smaller than all the number is, smallest number is 100. We write over here and put mark on that number. Now we can recheck also. We put mark on all the numbers. That means we have already written all the numbers here. Okay. So, in between all the numbers, we put the sign of less than. Now, 567 and 435. Now, 435 is smaller than 567. So, we put the sign of less than here. Less than means the mouth of... Here we will discuss the smallest and greatest number. So, first of all, when we make the greatest and smallest number, this is called formation of numbers. मतलब numbers को बनाना. How could we form the numbers? So, when we form the greatest number, we form the numbers in order of greatest means biggest to smallest. And when we form the smallest number, we form the digits in smallest to biggest order. So, remember one thing, when we put comma after each digit, these are called digits. This is not number because we put comma after each digit. So, when we write the number, we never put comma in between them. If we put comma in between them, that will become digits. That will not become number. So, first of all, we will form the greatest number. So, for greatest number, first of all, we will find the greatest number. That is, biggest number is 7. Now, smaller than 7 is 6. Smaller than 6 is 3. Smaller than 3 is 1. So, from that 4 digits, we make the greatest number, that is 7631. So, now smallest number. Similarly, we will follow the order in smallest number from smaller to biggest. So, here we will take the smallest number is small, that is smallest digit is 1. Then bigger than 1 is 3. Bigger than 3 is 6 and the biggest digit is 7. So, the smallest number is 1367. So, here we will discuss successor and predecessor. Now, what is successor? Successor means when we add one number in any given number, we get the next number. And predecessor means when we subtract subtract one number from the given number and we get the previous number. We will discuss it with example of toffees. तो सबसे पहले कितने बच्चों के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है टॉफीज देख के? ओके, मन तो सबका कर रहा है. ओके, तो हम इसे टॉफीज की एग्जाम्पल से ही सॉल्व करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले अब आपके पास 4 टॉफीज हैं. मम्मा ने आपको एक टॉफी और दे दी, यानी कि आपने क्या किया, +1. तो अब आपके पास कितनी टॉफीज हो गई? 1 2 3 4 5. आपके पास 5 टॉफीज हो गई. मतलब 4 का सक्सेसर, जब आपने इसमें 1 प्लस किया तो 4 का सक्सेसर क्या हो गया? 5. अब इसी तरह से आपके पास 4 टॉफीज थी, लेकिन उसमें से आपकी जो छोटी वाली सिस्टर है उसका मन कर रहा था टॉफ़ी खाने का. तो उसने आपको बोला कि भैया प्लीज़ एक टॉफ़ी मुझे दे दो. तो आपने अच्छे भैया की तरह अपनी छोटी सिस्टर को एक टॉफ़ी दे दी. तो अब आपके पास कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ रह गई? 3. मतलब 4 में से जब आपने 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 4 का प्रीडिसेसर क्या हो गया? 3.